Mati sir, welcome, and we are all eagerly waiting to listen from you what history has to tell us. Yeah.
Okay. Adi Shakti Tuza Bhavani and Namaskar. Thank you, Vinit, for a very good opening and a very good start. Has made my job little easy. Without wasting time, I would like to straight away go ahead. The topic today is in adversity, there is a great opportunity. Well, we all probably know this. We all hear this sometimes in many sessions. The question is, how do we make best of it? And where do we learn? And we don't have to go anywhere to learn it. We can learn it from our own history. The way I have learned in my life many things, some of you will agree with it. So let me share with you the way I learned few things in my life of making or making best out of the opportunity which comes through the adversity. Before I start, I hope and I'm sure you're all doing well and taking care of your loved ones. Do take care, spend time with them, particularly the elderly persons. And also I hope we all, being responsible citizen and Kohinoor members, we will all commit to the country, to our Prime Minister, that we will follow all the rules, norms and advices given by the government to get out of this adversity as quick as possible. Okay. First, what is this adversity is? Just a quick recap. The adversity is Corona pandemic or Vaishvik Mahamari. I think ये word भी बहुत correct है. So what is this Mahamari or adversity is? Number one, it is over 4 months we have been going through a big change, the big issues in our lifetime. There is no treatment yet developed, no vaccine yet. Well, there are a lot of rumors and WhatsApp and all these things, but the fact remains that we are nowhere near to an treatment or a vaccine. People are working day and night. Probably it will take a couple of weeks, couple of months. Nobody knows. So that's an adversity. We have gone through almost 2 months of lockdown. And we know that it's likely to continue. The announcement is going to come tomorrow. At least in some areas, in some parts, we all know the economy, personal economy, the home family economy, the country and the world economy is in a big shamble. And since last week, I have noted, or you must have also experienced, there's another big issue, problem going on of the migration or migrating workers. And I was shocked last week when I heard there are 14 crore workers, laborers are in this category of migrations, and each one is trying to go back to his native place. So look at the dimension or the scope of this adversity today. And that's what I call it as, at least in our life, it is a worst over adversity. मराठीत सांगायचं तर हे एक आसमानी संकट आहे. आसमानी संकट म्हणजे आसमान कोसळलं आपल्यावरती, इतकं मोठं संकट आपल्या देशावरती आलंय, आपल्यावरती आलंय. However, there are some silver linings. So let me be a little positive, as Vinit said. One, India is doing better, much better than so-called very developed countries, so-called very powerful countries. I think you all know the news. I don't have to elaborate on it. And this is phenomenal. This is phenomenal. India with 130 crore people have been able to contain the growth of Corona. And as you know, the curve is flattening. The operations are resuming slowly, steadily. I think Kohinoor has gone one step ahead, and we deliberately wanted to demonstrate and be a part of this process. And things are going to get normal in a due course of time. The most important positive point is India is determined. When I say India, we all Indians are determined, and that's why we are doing much better. You know that amongst the top 10 countries affected by this Corona, India is not there. Should have been the number one. looking at our population, but we are not in amongst the top 10. And another silver lining or another good news for all of us is that we, at this critical crisis time, have one of the best political leadership who is steering away, who is steering the country through this adversity. Now, having said that, nobody else other than Albert Einstein has said once, in the middle of adversity, there is always a great opportunity. Now, this was Albert Einstein's own experience. Many other legendary people also said. Benjamin Franklin said, even our Mahatma Gandhi also said when he was struggling for Swatantra, he said, well, it's adversity, but there's an opportunity. So I think we must believe or we accept that there is an opportunity. Even though there is an adversity, there's an opportunity. The question is, what are the opportunities which are being thrown out of this adversity? I have just listed down couple of them. This is an opportunity for each one of us to rethink and redefine our lifestyle, our living standards, or our life standards. This is an opportunity to look at our health, which is more important now, is proved, our family, our personal wealth, and so. We have enough time. We have seen how things can go worse if we don't take care of these 4 things, and which is an opportunity for all of us. That's had come out of this adversity. The second opportunity is also to learn new things, which probably we have ignored or we never had an opportunity. Be it meditation, be it yoga, be it asana, be it exercise, be it diet, be it education, knowledge. And one of the session right now, what you are witnessing is also an opportunity which is thrown to look back our history and learn from our history. There's an opportunity for every enterprise. And I think Vineet has already explained or have elaborated on what opportunities are coming in Kohinoor Way. I don't have to elaborate on this. And the last, there is an opportunity for our country too. Yeah, some of you must have heard by this time that there are many corporate companies, big companies from US are trying to exit out of China. And then probably one of the destinations for them is India. Anyway, I don't want to get into that issue at this point of time. But the fact remains that there are opportunities. There are many opportunities which are coming. So we'll have to only answer 3 questions to get to go further. What out of these opportunities are for me? Many. How do I make best of it? And to make best of it, where do I learn? Do I have the requisite knowledge, requisite qualification, requisite competence to make best out of an opportunity? And as you know, the opportunity only knocks once. It's not going to come again and again. So I think better be ready. Let's spend some time, and I would like to share with you all the way I look at how do we prepare ourselves for this opportunity which exists. As you know, and as Vineet has said, that we don't have to go through big courses, big books and training programs, etc. to learn the basics to grab this opportunity. Well, it is said that it is there in our own history. It's there in our own history. Last 1 month, probably since you are all at home, you must have had an opportunity to at least look at the TV, the 2 serials which were rerun on Doordarshan, Ramayana and Mahabharata. I'm sure some of you must have seen it. I had seen it whenever it was possible. And particularly, I would like to refer to the serial Mahabharata. And I would like to draw your attention to the last poem or last few lines which are aired at the end of the serial. And they go like this. Okay, two things. सीख हम बीते युगों से नए युग का करे स्वागत. This is the message, very strong message out of these 4 lines. And ये ज्ञान की है गंगा, ऋषियों की अमरवाणी. So we don't have to search anywhere. It is there. It's there in our own epics, in our own history, in our own heroes. ही जी कविता किंवा हे जे गीत आहे हे आपण बऱ्याचदा ऐकलं. ते टीव्ही सिरियल संपली की आपण बंद करतो आणि कधी आपण त्याचं महत्व ओळखलंच नाही. बऱ्याचदा आपण ते जाणलं की खरं महत्वाचं आहे, जाणलं पण मानलं नाही, इग्नोर केलं आपण ते. तर पहिली शिकवण आपल्याला आज आहे की आपल्या पास्ट, आपल्या बीते युगों से, आपल्या पाश्चात जे झालेलं आहे मागे, त्याच्यापासून आपण शिकवण घेऊन आपण नवी जे फ्युचर जे आहे, आपलं भविष्य जे आहे त्याच्या स्वागतासाठी तयार करायला पाहिजे. आणि भारताचे जे सगळं आपल्याकडे जो तयार आहे, आपले एपिक्स आहेत, आपली हिस्ट्री आहे, हे ज्ञान की गंगा आहे, त्याच्यातनं आपण शिकायला पाहिजे. तर महाभारतामधनं 2 गोष्टी आपण आज शिकूया. एक पहिली आपण शिकलेत की आपण पास्ट मधनं शिकायला पाहिजे. दुसरी, महाभारतामध्ये ज्यांनी थोडासा अभ्यास केला असेल किंवा ज्यांनी कधी प्रवचन ऐकले असेल, तर मला एक अशी संधी मिळाली होती एक प्रवचन ऐकायची. त्याच्यामध्ये चिन्मयानंद स्वामी प्रारब्ध और पुरुषार्थ इसका मतलब समझा रहे थे. These are the 2 very important words on which the whole Mahabharata has been based. That's what he was trying to say. Let's understand these 2 words first. What is prarabdha? Prarabdha is the situation or the challenges which you face in your life. What we are today. मग त्याला लोक नियती म्हणतात, प्राक्तन, विधिलिखित होतं, नशीब होतं, वगैरे वगैरे वगैरे. But the fact is that you are confronted with this situation. Or in English, it's a fait accompli or a destiny. So the message from Mahabharata is that you have a very little control over it. Actually, strictly speaking, you have no control on it. त्या कोरोना महामारीवरती आपलं काहीही कंट्रोल नाहीये. थोडासा इकडे तिकडे कंट्रोल आहे. वी माइट ट्राय and we are trying to do that. So this is our prarabdha. पण मग हे नियती आहे म्हणून तिथेच थांबायचं का? Should we take it as it is? No. The next thing which is explained in Mahabharata is purushartha. Now what is purushartha? Purushartha is how do you face this situation? How do you face this challenge? Overcome that challenge, that difficulty, that adversity and succeed. That's the meaning of purushartha. How do you do it? You need to have 2 basic qualities and 2 competences. 2 गुणविशेष आणि कार्यकुशलता आपल्यामध्ये असल्या तर आपण ह्या ऍडव्हर्सिटी मधले चॅलेंजेस जे असतात ते आपण फेस करू शकतो. त्यातला पहिला आहे आत्मविश्वास. आज सकाळी मी रामदेव बाबाचं ते योगा त्याच्याबरोबर आम्ही करतो घरी. त्याच्यामध्ये त्यांनी आत्मविश्वासच्या पुढे आणखीन एक शब्द सांगितलं होतं की आपका आत्मबल स्ट्रॉंग होना चाहिए, आपका मनोबल स्ट्रॉंग होना चाहिए. तर ह्या ऍडव्हर्सिटीच्या चॅलेंजेस मध्ये तुमचं आत्मबल, मनोबल आणि आत्मविश्वास स्ट्रॉंग असला पाहिजे. यू मस्ट बिलीव्ह इन युअर सेल्फ. यू मस्ट बिलीव्ह इन युअर सेल्फ. अँड नेक्स्ट, तुमच्याकडे निर्धार असला पाहिजे, निग्रह असला पाहिजे, डिटर्मिनेशन, एक्स्ट्रीम डिटर्मिनेशन असलं पाहिजे की हे जर त्यांनी केलं असेल तर मला पण करता आलं पाहिजे. आय कॅन ऑल्सो डू इट. इफ यू हॅव डन इट, I will also do it. Now, if you have these 2 qualities which have been amply demonstrated, elaborated in Mahabharata, then you can do wonders. There is no reason for you to panic, leave aside, giving up. So having said that, so these are the 2 learnings which we pick up from Mahabharata.